kung totoo ang desisyon na the Supreme Court favored the Marcoses, then it's a tectonic shift in the Supreme Court. Kasi mahaba na at marami ang desisyon ng Korte Suprema na si Marcos at human rights violator. So paano naging biglang worthy siya ng emulation at dapat ilibing sa libingan ng mga bayani?
Was this surprising for you, sir?
Yeah, very surprising. Lalo na napakalakas ng aming kaso. May batas kaming sinasite, wala namang binabatas o sinasite na batas yung administration. They are citing a mere AFP regulation. And politically, hindi naman magbibring ng closure to. So, why bother in the first place, di ba? So, nakakagalit na nakakalungkot kung matalo pa dito ang taong bayan dahil parang nawala ng saysay ang kasaysayan eh. Parang nagbago ang kasaysayan bigla ngayong araw eh.
Sir, na-interview po namin sa kabila si Governor Amy Marcos and some of the supporters, they all agree that they feel vindicated with this SC win. Ano po masasabi niyo dun, sir?
That's precisely the message nga ng Marcoses na ma-vindicate ang si President Marcos. So, how can the Supreme Court vindicate a person that they have declared in many decisions as a dictator and as a human rights violator and as a plunderer? In fact, in the case of Sandigan Bayan versus Republic, the Supreme Court forfeited almost 32 billion pesos of Marcos's ill-gotten wealth in the Swiss banks. So how can the Supreme Court now say na okay na nailibing ang isang plunderer, no, sa libingan ng mga bayani? So I guess that is the strangest decision and turnarounds I've ever seen.
Sir, will you file a counter?
Yes, we will of course discuss, but a motion for reconsideration is strongly considered. But at the same time, ilaban na rin namin kay President Duterte na magbago ang pasya niya. Kasi in the end, discretion ng Presidente, at kung tingin ni President Duterte na hindi naman pala ma-achieve yung purpose niya, which is closure, in fact, the contrary will happen, lalo pang ma-inflame ang issue at lalo pang maungkat ang issue taon-taon. So baka mag-iba siya ng isip. So tuloy ang laban. Malungkot ang desisyon at nakakagalit, pero hindi pa tapos ang laban eh. So dapat ituloy pa ito. May motion for reconsideration pa naman. At pwede pa namang makumbinsi si President Duterte na magbago ng isip. So we will continue with the protest movement. Of course, ang hiningi namin sa administrasyon na huwag ilibing hastily si President Marcos doon dahil may period pa for motion for reconsideration, and therefore hindi na ma-render moot and academic yung motion for reconsideration kung ilibing nyo na doon, di ba? So, kaya kung manalo kami sa MR, alam ka namang hukayin mo pa ulit yun, di ba? So, we hope that the administration will not allow the hasty interment of President Marcos and allow the due process rights of the victims for a motion for reconsideration to be resolved with finality before any action.